Hey guys, Luckside here, joined with my boy Austin Hilton.
Hey guys, how are you? I'm just, it's a pleasure to be on Aaron's channel, and we're here. Obviously, you can see where there it is right there. So we're here at we're twins. We're here at the Clear Cryptos event. More videos on that coming. The race is actually delayed because of rain. You can tell it's kind of rainy outside, but yeah. So you wanted to talk about kind of the state of the union of crypto today. You know, we had Powell came out today and he said what he said. I heard you talking about it. You were like, you were a little animated about what Powell had to say today.
Yeah. I mean, just to use words like economic pain is just, it just makes you cringe every time you hear it. You know, that's definitely not the sort of thing that you want to hear, but you know, obviously the market is kind of reacting, you know, to those words. You know, as of right now, it's down about 7%. You know, we're seeing big drops kind of across the board, but you know, again, this is the state of crypto. This is how things happen. They move quickly, and
yeah. And I was frustrated like you. I think we've got. He said there's hard times ahead. I'm paraphrasing, but here's the thing. I don't know if you saw this. I saw where he talked about, you know, the CPI data is at 8.5%, right? Well, he said, and I hadn't heard this number. They want to get it from 8.5% to 2%.
Okay.
That's
good.
So
right?
yeah, with inflation, but think about. Yeah, sounds great, but what's all the pain and the hardship we have to go to get to that? They've got a lot more interest rate hikes coming, things of that nature. So I think, and you and I were talking about it before we recorded, like probably 8 or 9 months worth of more volatility as we're doing these interest rate hikes. So what does all this mean to you in crypto and maybe your favorite altcoins like Shiba Inu and you know insert any coin or token name here? I think it means volatility. I think it means have a long-term view of, you know, the ones you're in, have a long-term view, have a long-term plan, you know? I know you talk about that all the time too.
Yeah, and realistically, you know, you can look at it obviously from the negative aspect, obviously with the prices doing the things they're doing, but you can also look at it from the aspect of, hey, this may not be a bad time to acquire.
This is when the smart money buys.
Exactly. You know, and obviously this is not financial advice, but, you know, I know the things that I'm doing during these points in time, and, you know, low prices are not a bad thing if you want to acquire more crypto.
Yeah, I mean, again, like Aaron said, I mean, it's definitely not investing advice. We have to say that all the time. But look at it this way, right? If the market continues to dip, if we continue to roll down, that's the expectation, right? That's kind of what we're seeing. That's the narrative we're hearing. Inflation's here to stay. There's still a lot of financial hardship, not my words, but Chairman Powell's ahead of us. We're going to have some good times and bad times, but I think overall the state of the union is going to be kind of rolling down. So I think we're going to see Ethereum sub 1,000. I think we're going to see Bitcoin definitely sub 20, maybe going down into 16, 15 range. I mean, if it rolls down there, I'm buying. I mean, because I'm buying with a long-term view.
Right.
You know, so that's how I see it.
And it's kind of like I had said before, you know, I wanted to see a retest of those levels just as kind of a bottom confirmation to really know that that we hit those levels at the bottom is truly in on the market, because that's a good opportunity, obviously, for the market to actually recover and really confident money to get behind it to start to really rally back towards the bull market, like we all like.
Yeah. So we're going to wrap it up there, guys. As always, thanks for having me on the channel, brother.
Yeah, appreciate you being on here.
Thanks, man.
We'll record the handshake. Now, if you guys haven't already, please make sure that you go ahead, hit subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. That way you'll know, obviously, when all my videos go live. Please feel free to hit the like too if you did like the video. Appreciate you guys taking time out of your day, and hope to see you guys in the next one.
There you go.